Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change domain on Shopify. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open up any browser and search for shopify.com. Now tap on login from the top right and wait for it to load. Now select My Store. Now tap on Settings from the bottom left corner and then select Domains. As you can see here, I have already set up a domain on my Shopify. So if I want to change it, I need to tap on the link below, where it says Change to a new domain. Now choose a new name for your domain. Note that you can only change your domain name once. After putting on a new domain name, you need to tap on Add Domain. As you can see, my domain has been successfully changed.